Hello everyone and welcome back to a new session in learning how to format our thesis based on the guidelines of any university. Today I'm going to explain about the paragraphs. I'm going to define different paragraphs. We can say paragraph none. I will call it none. It means no space before or after this paragraph. Then paragraph after, it means there will be space after this paragraph and no spacing before this paragraph. And paragraph before, and the last one is paragraph before after, or before after. It means there will be a space before and after this paragraph. Will depend on the styles, so we'll create different types of paragraphs by using the create style. The first one I'm going to before that I have to create some paragraphs. Let's say using the command rand, I'll have different paragraphs. So I want now to define new paragraph style. I'll just click here, then click this button, new style. I will call it paragraph 1. Sorry, paragraph none. Then let's start defining my settings, the color, the font size, Times New Roman, the preferred font, and then go to paragraph. It should be justified, and then at the first line should be indented at 1.27, which is the default, and then there will be no space before or after the paragraph using a double spacing. So that's all, and just click OK and OK. So if I just highlight this paragraph, I just click here and it will take the settings. The second paragraph I'm going to create another new style. We will click here styles, then this will pop up this small window. We'll just click on the new style and we'll create a new style paragraph. I call it before. Then we'll select the default color, the font size, and then the font type. Then we'll click paragraph. The alignment should be justified, and then the first line at 1.27, and then after that there should be 12 points space and double spacing. So actually this number 12, it means the height of the letter is 12 points. So we are going to leave a 12 point height between this paragraph and the next, which it follows. So after I called it before, if I called it before, it means I am going to set before in the spacing before 12 points as it is here. So click OK, click OK. This is the new paragraph. The third paragraph I'm going to create is the new style paragraph after. So we are going to leave space after the paragraph. We'll select the color and the font size, the font type, Times New Roman, and then go to formatting, paragraph, justified, and then the first line at 1.27, and then we are going to leave some space after, which is 12 point, and then the spacing is double within the paragraph. So the line spacing is within the paragraph, but here the spacing is before the paragraph and after the paragraph. So click OK and click OK. So this is the third type, and the fourth type is, I'm going to call it paragraph before after. Before after. So I'm going to select the font color, the font size, the font type Times New Roman, and then we'll go to formatting, paragraph, and then I'm going to add 12 points before and 12 points after, double spacing, and the first line 1.27. Regarding the alignment should be justified, and now as we can see I have 12 points before and 12 points after the paragraph, and the spacing within the paragraph is double. So all this I have already set. So click OK, click OK. Most of the time, if you see in the articles, they ask for single spacing. So if you want to change, you just click here in any paragraph, and then instead of double spacing, you just click here on single space. So this is one thing to do it. And then if you like in some articles, there is a indentation for the first paragraph, but other following paragraphs they don't, the guidelines do not ask for the indentation for the following paragraphs, and some they ask for space between the paragraphs instead of indentation, and others they ask for the indentation for the paragraphs. So this is the way to organize your paragraphs. So you just highlight the paragraph that you want to change, then you select, let's say here after paragraph, and here the before paragraph there will be space before, and here is before and after there will be space, and here there is no spacing before or after the paragraph. So I would prefer also if you have like a small table here, and there is the paragraph, let's say it stick to the table, it's better to use a space before the paragraph. So you select paragraph before, and if you have, let's say a figure here or a table, it's better also to use a spacing with paragraph that has spacing after it, so there the appearance or the readability will be better and perfect. I hope this is a clear explanation, and I think it's easy to apply. And now we are going to end this session. Thank you for watching this short video, and if you have any comments or requests, kindly write down in the comment area, and I hope that you are going to follow the series which are going to explain the figures, the tables, and other things. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.